In prime time news this evening, parliamentary year off to a rocky start.
New parliamentarians eager to serve.
And later, former operations manager at a boutique hotel in Negril admits to embezzling millions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Sandy Williams. Here's a preview of what's to come in business news with Andrea Chisholm.
Thank you very much, Sandy. Well, the Bank of Jamaica has again intervened in the foreign exchange market, pumping $30 million into the market. I'll have that and more later in the business day.
And I can't believe it is already Thursday, which means that World Champs is coming to an end. Here's Renardo with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Now, you better believe it, but I don't understand it. Sandy, Janella, Andrea, I feel out of place here. Well, what I can tell you is that national record holder and Olympic medalist missed out on medals at the World Athletics Championships, and defending champions stay alive with crucial win in CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. We'll have those stories and much more in Primetime Sports.
And Romain is here with us. What's happening in the weather later?
Thanks, Sandy. Now, there is a tropical wave that we are monitoring, and it is expected to be moving across the Jamaica area tomorrow. So we should be seeing an increase in clouds, showers, and thunderstorms, especially across the eastern portions of the island. But I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your expectations for the new parliamentary term?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News Package returns after this break.